All right, guys, today on the menu is a Chevy 1500 5.3 liter V8 Beast Z71 package, of course.
That looks tasty.
It does, don't it? All right, we got stock converters there and there. Then we got the dreaded third cat, but what did we do? Put a high flow cat in its place to give it a little bit more growl. Flow FX, and then a white pipe, 2 1/4, then 2 1/4 mandrel bent tailpipes, all the way back there, and all the way back there, into 3.5 inch by 18 rolled black tips. There, and there. Absolutely beautiful truck. Came out nice. It's all blacked out. That's how you get them dualed out with a Flow FX. He listened to it on our YouTube channel and came and got it done. So come on down, guys, next. Sounds good. Again? Sounds so good. Z71 off-road package. Sound decibels. Again. 103. It's not too deep, not too loud. Nice and deep. There's the muffler and resonator and tailpipe we cut off. You always want to take these flaps off right here because they rattle. There's not one on the back. Some of them came with 2, some of them came with 1. There it is. Really nice Chevy truck. Nicely done. You gotta admit that sounds really nice. Nice and deep. It's got aftermarket lights. They're really cool. I like them. Just a nice truck. Here it is from far away. Go ahead. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Silverado. I always loved that body style. I like it more than the new one. That new one looks like that guy from Family Guy, the kid with the face upside down. I like these ones better. Oh yeah. That's beautiful. I think he's happy. Let us know what you guys think.